Welcome to the first video in our 8-part series, If I Knew, Then What I Know Now, where we're breaking down the most game-changing lessons for affiliate marketing success. Over the next 8 videos, we'll share real stories, actionable tips, and proven tools designed to fast-track your freedom and success. Today, we're kicking off with Craig's personal story of regret, realization, and the one thing he wishes he had started with from the beginning. This isn't just another how-to guide. This is about you unlocking clarity, momentum, and results, starting right now. On top of that, we're revealing how Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 and Toolkit 3. Freedom Toolkit can make all the difference. And as a bonus, we'll show you how to access exclusive resources available through our affiliate link. These include big discounts, free templates, thumbnails, and limited time bonuses that you won't want to miss. Stick around. This first step could completely change the way you approach affiliate marketing.
Hey, my name's Craig, and my life today is incredible. I make a full-time income online, I work where I want, and I never have to sacrifice time with my family anymore. But I wasn't always here. A couple of years ago, I was stuck in a rut. I was tired, broke, and confused. Every method I thought would work just drained my savings. I wasted over a year chasing strategies that overcomplicated everything. No results, no progress, just frustration. If there's one thing I could go back and tell that version of myself, it's this: start with a clear system and the right tools. Not random advice or videos, but an actual framework designed to deliver results step by step. For me, that clarity came when I found Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 and the Toolkit 3. Freedom Toolkit. That's when everything finally clicked. Here's the deal. Toolkit 3 isn't just a bunch of templates or tips. It's the guide that showed me exactly how to find the right videos, connect with the audience, and drive consistent commissions. No fluff, just what works. I'll never forget the moment I used the toolkit for the first time. Within weeks, I made my first $500 in affiliate commissions. I finally felt that this could actually work for me. That's why I'm so passionate about sharing this with you, because if this toolkit could work for someone like me who struggled for a year and almost gave up, it can work for you.
Thanks, Craig. Your story is so relatable to anyone starting out. And you're right. When you have clarity and the right tools, the path becomes so much easier. That's where the Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 program comes in. It's more than just a system. It's a roadmap that's strategically designed to take you step by step from a total beginner to earning consistent affiliate commissions. And the Toolkit 3, Freedom Toolkit, is your shortcut. It includes resources like pre-built templates, proven strategies, and step-by-step guides to help you focus on what works without all the guesswork. Here's the thing: Toolkit 3 unlocks exclusively when you use our affiliate link. Remember, the bonuses are limited time only and directly provided by the program creator. Listen to what Tina G from Florida had to say about Toolkit 3. She said, "I was stuck in analysis paralysis for months. Using Freedom Breakthrough and Toolkit 3, I made my first $600 in commissions in just 10 days. I finally feel like this is possible." And here's John R. from California. "Toolkit 3 saved me so much time. I used it to create my first lead funnel, and within weeks, I made my first 3 sales. This system works. These results are real, and they could be yours." Even Jonathan Montoya, the creator of Freedom Breakthrough, has said, "Craig and his subs are some of our most successful affiliates. I don't know how he does it, but the results speak for themselves."
Listen, I've made the mistakes, I've learned the lessons, and now I'm bringing them to you because I know what's possible when you take action. This isn't about overnight success, but it is about building real freedom using tools that actually work. The Freedom Breakthrough 3.0 program and Toolkit 3, Freedom Toolkit, are those tools. But don't just take my word for it, experience it yourself. And when you make your first sale, drop it in the comments so we can celebrate with you.
Your dream of financial freedom is closer than you think. You don't have to waste months figuring this out on your own. Check the video description below for the toolkit, templates, big discounts, and bonuses that are available only through our affiliate link at resources won't last forever. And here's our promise to you. We don't charge for emails or toolkits. We earn when you succeed using our links. This is about partnership, trust, and helping you win. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to catch video 2 of this series, the $7 that could have saved me a year. It's going to reveal a critical step that most affiliate marketers overlook. Drop a comment below. Craig reads every single one.